For the Master in Entrepreneurship, there's a huge diversity of thought and of students that come into the course, so you get exposure to other people's ideas, other people's way of approaching a problem. There's a huge professional network that you have access to, having completed the Masters. The Master itself is completely intertwined and interwoven with the local tech community here in Dublin, which is one of the best in the world. You have, some of the top names like Facebook, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, who all came in and worked actively with us over the course of the year. So having completed it, I now feel like I have access to students and like-minded entrepreneurs from all over the world, as well as access to a professional network should I look to enter the marketplace here in Dublin.